Hello, my dear student. Geometry lecture number 13, chapter number 3, circle. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some theorem. Theorem of internal division of chords. Now, one thing you remember, theorems are very important. You can use this as a property for solving examples. Okay, and therefore theorems are what very important. Theorem of internal division of chords. If two chords of a circle intersect each other in the interior of the circle, then the product of the lengths of the two segments of one chord is equal to the product of the lengths of the two segments of the other chords. Okay. Now then you try to understand this theorem. So first I explain you and then I will give you how to write. Okay, now this is a circle with center P. This is a chord AB and this is a chord CD intersect each other at point E, which is in the interior of the circle. Okay, then prove that AE into EB, this is a segment of this chord, and this is a segment and this is a segment of what chord CD. So product of these two is equal to product of these two. Okay, now try to understand. So this is what very easy. Now in this triangle, in triangle AEC and triangle DEB, angle A and angle D, these two angles are equal because inscribed in same arc. So this angle is inscribed in this arc, okay, and this arc, and this angle is inscribed in this arc. So these two angles are what? Equal, and this angle is equal, vertically opposite angle, and therefore these two triangles are similar. Write your similarity sequence properly. Angle to angle means angle A is equal to angle D, angle E is equal to angle E, and therefore triangle AEC similar triangle DEB, so that if your sequence is right, then you will get right ratios and what you reach your answer. So try to understand. In a circle with center P, chord AB and chord CD intersect at point E. To prove AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. Construction: draw seg AC and seg BD. Proof: in triangle AEC and triangle DEB, angle AEC congruent angle DEB, vertically opposite angles. Angle CAE congruent angle BDE, angles inscribed in same arc, and therefore triangle AEC similar triangle DEB by a test of similarity, and therefore AE upon DE is equal to EC upon EB, corresponding sides of similar triangle, and then simply you transfer this on this side. So therefore AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. Okay. Theorem. Next theorem. Theorem of internal division of chords. So this is first theorem is what? Internal division, and this is what? External division. Mean intersecting point is what? In the exterior of circle. If secants containing chord AB and CD of circle intersect outside the circle in point E, then AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. Okay, now first I explain you here. Now this is a circle with center P. This is a what EA is secant and EC is secant, containing chord AB and CD intersect each other at point E, which is in the exterior of circle. And then you prove that what AE, so this intersecting point you keep in between, AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. Okay, now here these two triangles are similar. What are they? Triangle AED and triangle CEB. These two triangles are similar. In this triangle, this angle and this angle is equal. Again the same reason, angle inscribed in same arc. This is a arc. In this arc, this angle and this angle inscribed, and therefore these two angles are equal. And this angle is common, and therefore these triangles are what similar. So triangle AED and triangle CEB what are similar triangle, and then write what your corresponding ratios so that you will get answer. Okay, but write what sequence properly, A to what C and E to E. Okay, given in circle with center P, secant AE containing chord AB and secant CE containing chord CD intersect at external point E. To prove AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. Construction, draw sec AD and sec BC. Now in this case, one thing you remember, given and to prove you can write by what statement, but construction is what yours. So therefore you have to remember construction. If you don't know construction, then you can't solve this. What you cannot prove this theorem. Okay, so therefore remember construction is what always very important. This point you remember. Now then you try to understand proof. In triangle AED and triangle CEB, angle A congruent angle C, angle inscribed in same arc, angle AED congruent angle CEB, common angle, and therefore triangle AED similar triangle CEB, a test of similarity, and therefore AE upon CE is equal to ED upon EB, and then simply transfer. So AE into EB, this you transfer here, AE into EB is equal to CE into ED. Okay, hence it is proved. Then one more theorem I explain you, which is what very important, tangent secant segments theorem. So this theorem is what very important because you can use this theorem for solving some examples. So the theorem is what simple, try to understand. Given in a circle with center O, point E is in the exterior of a circle, secant through E intersects circle at point A and B, and a tangent through E touches the circle at point T. Prove that EA into EB is equal to ET square. Okay, then first I explain you. Now this is a secant given EB which intersects circle at point A and B. This is a point E which is in the exterior of circle, and from this point ET is tangent to the circle at point T. Okay, then prove that this EA into EB is equal to ET square. Okay, Now try to understand. In this case, there are two triangles which are similar. So this is a large triangle which is similar to this small triangle. Now triangle EBT similar triangle ETA. In this case, this angle and this angle is congruent because this is a tangent to the circle and this is a chord. Okay, so angle between them, this angle is half of this arc, and similarly this angle is half of this arc in scribe angle theorem, and therefore this angle and this angle is equal. Okay, and this angle is what common, and therefore these two triangles means which triangle? Triangle EBT and triangle ETA are similar, and therefore their corresponding sides are in proportion. Write down your sides and get your answer. Okay, now try to understand proof. To prove in triangle EBT and triangle ETA, angle BET congruent angle AET, common angle. Angle EBT congruent angle ATE, angle between tangent and chord, and angle in opposite arc. And therefore triangle EBT similar triangle ETA, a test of similarity, and therefore EB upon ET is equal to ET upon EA. Select your ratios properly and then simply transfer, and therefore EB into EA or EA into EB is equal to ET into ET, that means ET square, and therefore EA into EB is equal to ET square. Now this proof you try to remember in this way. This is about external point. This is a common to tangent and secant. So start from what E. EA into EB is equal to ET square. Okay. Now go through this theorem again so that you understand. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any questions regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.